welcome to my living room. I just wanted to do a clean with me video, just showing you guys how I clean my little living room space in my apartment. So I hope that you guys enjoy this video. It's going to be quick. So I will be doing a full apartment tour very soon as everything in here is complete. But in the meantime, I figured I'd give you guys a little bit of clean with me action. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you have any questions, obviously leave them down below, and I love you guys. I'll talk to you soon. Bye. Sorry guys, I forgot to hit record. So I like to start out with all my pillows on the floor and then I fluff them up and go from there. So just so you know. Whew. Work. Couches are beautiful, but they're a pain in the neck. One, because they're down couches, so it's a lot to fluff them every few days after you sit on them. I usually wait like 4 to 5 days unless I'm having company over. If I'm having company, then I'll fluff them, but if not, that stuff stays like that all week until I feel like doing it. So yeah, so let me I'm just gonna finish showing you guys how I fluff them and get them back to looking how I want them to look.